paano mag-create ng additional account sa VT Markets. So, yung gagawin mong account, it's either another MT4 or another MT5. Pwedeng additional account for your copy trading or pwedeng additional account for your manual trading. So, napakadali lang naman. First is ilagin mo yung account sa VT Markets. And then once na nakapasok ka na, i-click mo tong plus open live account. Yan. So, open ka lang ng additional account up to 10 accounts yung pwede mong i-open sa VT Markets. Pwede mong ipang-copy trade yung 5, pang-manual trade mo yung 5. Okay? So, ngayon, ayan, makikita mo yung platform. Pwede mong piliin MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4. So, kung ano yung kailangan mo dyan. So, yan, magpa-prompt naman siya. And then, choose account type. So, pwedeng standard STP swap free yung piliin mo. Ayan. So, ayan, currency USD. Now, please take note na yung i-open mong account if magma-manual trade ka is standard. Okay? Standard account yung i-open mo. Ngayon naman, if for copy trading, and ang gusto mong i-copy trade is algo or exclusive, ang i-open mong account para safe is yung MetaTrader 4 na standard swap free. Okay? Again, for FCAT algo and exclusive, MetaTrader 4, standard STP swap free, account currency, USD. Now, if gusto mo mag-copy trade naman sa ating $50 na FCAT Premier, make sure na ang account mo is MT5 and Cent STP swap free. So, ulitin ko, for FCAT Premier, MetaTrader 5 na Cent STP swap free, and then ito yung account currency US cents. Okay? So, ganun lang. And then, once na okay na, click submit. So, ngayon, yung additional live account daw is being set up and you will receive an email with your login details. So, back to homepage tayo. So, ayan. So, makikita mo yung ni-request nating account. Itong MT511180149. Andyan na. Ngayon, yung details niyan is makikita mo sa email mo. Now, punta natin yung email natin. Ganito yung sample na makikita mo once na okay na yung account mo. So, dito mo makikita yung details nung ginawa mong account. So, ito. Zoom natin. Makikita mo MT5 login. And then, ito yung MT5 password. So, nakalagay naman dyan. And then, yung server is nakalagay din. VT Markets Live. Okay. So, check mo lang yung email mo para pwede mong i-change password using itong original password mo. Now, paano mag-change ng password? Eto, punta ka lang dito sa client portal. Tapos, yung account na gusto mong palitan yung password, click mo lang itong nasa baba and then select mo itong change password. So, let's say, change password. Ang lalagay mo is yung current password, yung in-email sa'yo ni VT. And then, yung bagong password na gagamitin mo sa account. So, make sure na tama yung password na ilalagay mo kasi kadalasan dito nagkakamali. Iba yung natatype pag nagla-login na tayo. So, double check nyo lang. So, updated na yung account mo. Okay, ito yung iyong MT5 account na kinreate na additional account. So, makikita mo dito yung server, VT Markets Live. In terms of leverage, 1:500. Pwede mong i-max. Okay, para same tayo ng settings, 1:1000. So, ayun lang. Ganun lang kadali mag-open ng additional account for VT Markets.